been a very hot, dry summer. So much so, the ground is cracked from lack of moisture. Grassland naturalization area is probably just as dry as this field. I've showed you how dry it is. Everything's bone dry. We haven't had very much precipitation at all for July and August. A couple of weeks ago, just over there, weekends ago, there was a big tent set up, arcade, food, lots and lots of people playing music, having a good time. It's great, wonderful to see the park being used. I've discovered along this area several casings of fireworks. Now they start here and continue all the way to that green sign and beyond. I've also found the casings at those trees. That was quite a big firework right there. All along here, fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. Should fireworks have been set off so close to this tinder dry field during a drought? I know there's no fire ban in Winnipeg, but you'd think that the people setting off the fireworks would not do it right next to a field of tall, dry grass. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but they didn't clean up either. And for people who, want to use this park, you'd think that they might come over here and pick up some of the garbage that they've left, messing up our park, messing up nature. I'm a little discouraged with human beings.